Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. About a little over a week ago or so, I did a review on a pork pie hat from Capello Fashion Company. Now that was my first pork pie hat, and Capello's not like a lower end brand, so they're a little bit on the pricey side. So I didn't want to try something and me not like it. So before I were to order more pork pies or something along the line with Capello, because they're, like I said, they're a great company, top-notch quality, Italian, it's just great. I recently went on the old El Cheapo route just to try some hat out to give it a try. So that way I know if I looks good on my head or not, to order more from Capello. And I was going through Amazon, and I found an Epoch hat. And I remember on the Gentleman's Roundtable one time, I remember Anox saying, "Oh, Epic, stay away from Epic," and things like that. But you know me. I don't listen to anybody, I guess, because my wife tells me that all the time. I never listen to her. So I went ahead and ordered an Epic Fedora cap. This is the men's casual vintage style washed cotton fedora hat from Epic. Now, it didn't already start promising, I'll tell you that, because it came in an envelope from Amazon, and it was like a pancake. So I'm like thinking about, well, if it's a fedora, it's supposed to stand up, and it's probably going to be all smushed. Now, a good thing is, I only paid $13.99 for this. So it's worth it. Worst case scenario, I send it back. Or, you never know, maybe I'll like it, and I know what to order from Capello. So here it is here. And this is what it looked like inside, the envelope. So, and this is supposed to be a fedora. So, it's not starting off promising at all. And, one more thing before I start opening. This how I talk. I really do appreciate everybody sending me pictures, tagging our sending Gentleman's Roundtable pictures of them wearing the apparel and the pins, our Reviews of Moose apparel and pins. I really do enjoy that because it's good to see all the support on there, and I love sharing it to the pages, whether it's Gentleman's Roundtable or Reviews of Moose page. So, yeah, so just keep on sending those. Don't be bashful, don't be shy, because I'm going to share it. All right. And here it is. In this color I got, what color is this called? This is the rust color. How the hell do you open this thing? All right. Well, it's got the little styrofoam thing around the end of it. It definitely is going to need to be steamed. Kind of looks like that hat from, what the hell is the name of that hat? With the hat that talks in one of the Halloween movies. I can't remember which one it is, but yeah, man, they really did a doozy on this thing. So I'm going to definitely have to steam this. And it is Epic. As you can see, there's a pull string to adjust, or the bow tie. I don't think I'm going to have to adjust. What the hell's a pull string? Yeah, there's pull strings in there. Kind of like a Peaky hat. But it's Epic there. And definitely smushed. And this is I got the Brooklyn Bridge on there. What that is? Not the Brooklyn Bridge. It's the London Bridge, maybe? No, it's Brooklyn Bridge. That's a Brooklyn Bridge. So I see, what was that? What's the new, not the World Trade Center, but I can't think of the name of the new one. Yeah, so that's definitely Brooklyn Bridge. I think it's Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, it's got to be the Brooklyn Bridge. Well, anyway. Yeah, so there it is there. It is a style F2232 large, extra large in the rust. All right, I'm definitely going to, before I even try this on, before I even show you a close-up, I'm going to steam this because it needs a steaming. As you can see here, this thing was smushed like you wouldn't believe. All right, yeah, let me go ahead and steam it, and I'll show a close-up, and then I'm going to try it on. All right, so I gave this Epic Fedora a nice little steam. Came out perfect. Did a great job getting the wrinkles out. I was a little hesitant at first. I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But yeah, that looks a lot better than smushed up in the package. Actually, pretty firm now. All right. Yeah, came out good. That little steamer there does a hell of a job, not only on caps, but these fedoras. Huh. Yeah, that steamer is badass. That's earned it. You know what? That's earned its money tenfold for me. But yeah, that's a nice rust fedora from Epoch. Holds a nice firm shape now. Got a little bit of a wrinkle there. Hopefully that's the backside. Yep, nope, it's the front, isn't it? All right, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, so here it is, the Epoch Fedora rust color. And of course we got the little Epoch button on the side there. And let's go ahead and try it on here. I don't think I'm gonna need the strings. All right, let's do it. Large, extra. Hey, and also, you know, I was going to tell you guys about this. I did a research. One World Trade Center is the name of the thing in the back. I thought after drawing a blank. That is Brooklyn Bridge. And it made me even look it up. I was like, holy cow, is Epoch made in the United States? Is Epoch Hats made in the United States? Well, it only took me about 10 seconds to find out that's false. It is actually made in the good old China. So, but you know, there's nothing Chinese on this hat. I mean, I see everything is in English. just kidding. But yeah, it's not made in the United States, so I don't want to give any false hope there. I know that matters to a lot of people. All right, Epoch. Huh. The camera's like really zoomed in today. What'd I do? Did I zoom in the camera? What'd I do here? Oh, yeah, I guess that helps. I was going to say, I'm like 3D in this bad boy. Yeah, so that is it there. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. For 13 bucks, I'll find something to rock this with. Yeah, this is the Epoch again, and I got it off Amazon for $13.99. I was actually going to get another color, but it was burgundy, but it would have been too similar. Not bad. I mean, it's not as good as the Capello Fashion Company. I'll be honest with that. I mean, it's nowhere near that quality. But it's a hat, and that's about it. It's a hat. It's not bad. It's not my favorite. Not bad. $13.99. At least I'm not too upset because I didn't spend $80 on it like some other companies, or like even a higher brand of what Capello is. But it's not bad. I mean, what do you guys think of this? I mean, $13.99. Huh? I mean, just to me, it's just not very pork pie like. Kind of like taller. This is a pork pie. No, it's fedora. Never mind. Duh. It's a fedora hat, so it does sit up a little higher here, this part. Yeah. This doesn't remind me like a fedora. Is this actually called a fedora? I'm pretty sure it is. Pretty sure it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a fedora, but I don't get that brown, that type down there. It's like a fedora usually is. Like, I don't know, I think it's a fedora. I think of, let's see what this is called. It is, yeah, it says it's a fedora cap. I mean, that's what it looks like on the page, but I don't see it here. I don't see it on this page. I don't see it. I see it on that page. I don't see it on this page. But yeah, it's nothing like, you know, I think of fedora, I'm thinking like Indiana Jones, you know. But scale of 1 to 5, I give this like a 2.2, 2.3. Not very good. I'll wear it though. I mean, you gotta wear it, right? I gotta do some fedora things to it. Maybe if I pinch this up a little bit, make it seem like it's more of an indention. Let's try that. See how that looks. Yeah, that looks. That's starting to shape up a little bit more. Maybe I shouldn't have steamed it. That wrinkles out. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, it's not good. Not good. It's not bad. It's not a good score. Let me know what you guys think of this fedora. It's by Epoch. You can get it on Amazon, $13.99. And yeah, not good. Not good. It is what it is. Worth a try. Not gonna get another one. Even if it was $8.99, I still wouldn't get it. All right, everybody. Reviews of Moose. This again, the Epoch Fedora. What is this? I don't even remember what's the name. It's not even worth me even looking up to see what the name of it is. But Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time. Epic failure. Epoch Hats, epic failure. All right. Bye-bye now.